So I'm going to show y'all how to use tofu and make vegan eggs. So you're going to need a few things, as you can see on the screen. So first you're going to cut open the packet and make sure the tofu is drained of all its water. You're going to need some paper towels, a cheesecloth, a regular cloth that ain't been used on your goddamn body, so you can drain all the water out of this damn tofu. And you're going to have to squeeze hard because this shit got a lot of water. And this is how it should look. It should crumble in your hands just like that. Please wear some gloves. If not, get a nail brush and clean underneath. So you're going to get a tablespoon of nutritional yeast. You're going to use a teaspoon of lemon juice, which is not on the screen. And you're going to season with salt and pepper until your ancestors tell you to stop. If you are other than POC, you may want to just be a little heavy on the season. Garlic powder, this is like the staple in a black person's home. And we're going to stir it up, baby. Yeah, it should be all congealed. And don't forget the vegan butter. Now, before we go any further, don't be like me. Don't OD on the butter. Use good common sense. This is my first time making it, so I wanted to be safe. Make sure your stove is at a medium level, and let's get to frying. This is what your eggs should look like. They are fluffy, by the way. And this is the final product: vegan sausages, vegan eggs, and of course Aunt Your Mama pancakes. Y'all be sure to follow me for more vegan options.